I'm gonna introduce these 5 strong Vidaman. Okay, the first, Gunlock. The second,
Pika.
Jacker. The third, Twin Rhinoceros. The fourth, Strike Dragon. And the fifth is the strong Vidaman, Smash Dragon. These five Vidaman, I'm gonna test them. Who is the first strong Vidaman, and the second, and third, and the fourth, and the last. So I'm gonna put this box, and they gonna hit it. Okay, I'm gonna use first this Vidaman Gunlock. Okay, let's do it in here. And put this on here and watch. Okay.
B shots, ready, aim, crossfire.
Okay, that move there. Gonna get his tool, his Gunlock, this. Gonna put in here, so we can remember when Gunlock fire that with the gun. Okay, the next with the gun is Drip Jacker. This one. Okay, ready? B shots.
Ready, aim, crossfire.
Okay, that gonna put his tool, this white, right here. Okay, the next Vidaman is Twin Rhinoceros. You can see that this tool, come on over here, camera boy, in here. This tool, this Gunlock, and this is Drip Jacker. Okay, I'm gonna not cheat. I'm gonna not cheat the tool that I will not move that. Okay, just gonna hold this Vidaman. Okay, ready?
B shots, ready, aim, crossfire.
Okay, like that. I think I will not consider it because I think this Biduzama is more not powerful than the other marble. Okay, gonna use another Biduzama. This. Okay, ready?
B shots, ready, aim, crossfire.
I think I'm wrong. The one is more powerful than this blue. Okay, B shots, ready, and crossfire. Okay, that's all. Last one, I'm not gonna consider that. Okay, B shots, ready,
aim, crossfire.
Okay, I'm just gonna consider that. Gonna get the tool, this, and like that. Next Vidaman is Strike Dragon. We're gonna use his gravity, so when we hit this box, it will go back to him. We use this horn. Okay, 3 shots.
Ready, aim, crossfire.
Okay, like that. The tool of this red. Okay, next, come on camera boy, let's look. Okay, you see that? I think this Strike Dragon and Peacock is tie. Okay, next is the last Smash Dragon. Okay, let's use. This is the final test. Okay, 3 shots.
Ready, aim, crossfire.
Okay, you see that? I think Smash Dragon is power. powerful than Gunlock. Okay, like that. And let's see the tool is the first or the tie or the second, fourth until the last. Okay, camera boy, come on, in here. Say who is the tie or the first. Okay, camera boy. The black is Gunlock. Okay. And the yellow is Smash the Gold. Okay, we're gonna repeat these two today. Okay, gonna use this again. Okay, camera boy, hold this again. Okay, let's try. B shots. Ready, aim, crossfire. Okay, let's move it here. The next one is Smash Dragon. Okay. Okay, ready? B shots. Ready? Aim. Crossfire. Okay, like that. I think Smash Dragon is weak today. Today. Okay, let's put it through. Okay, let's tell who is the first. Come on, camera boy. Tell who is the first. Game. Okay, the black is Gunlock. Okay, let's put Gunlock is the first, be the man who is strong. And the second, and again we have a tie. This red, Strike Dragon, and the white is Peacock. Okay, we're gonna try again. This box. Gonna try Strike Dragon again and Peacock. Camera boy, hold, and let's see who's the second. Okay, ready? B shots. Ready? And crossfire. Okay, let's put the tool. Another. B shots. Ready? And crossfire. Okay, let's put the tool in here. I think Peacock is weak again. Weak. Okay, let's put camera boy. Said who is the second. And the second is Twin Drashros, the yellow one. This is the yellow one. And let's rate it if it's tie. Okay, I think it's not a tie. The red one is Strike Dragon, the third. This. And the fourth is, let's move it again. This. I think the fourth is Smash Dragon. And the last, you know it, it's Peacock. Okay, you see now. This is the 5 dragon, the 5 Bidaman strong. This is the first Bidaman, do strong, and the second, this Twin Drashros. Third, this Strike Dragon. Fourth, this Smash Dragon. The last is Peacock. Okay, I'm gonna tell the secret. When you buy Gunlock, Gunlock is stronger than Twin Drashros. When you buy Twin Drashros is powerful than Strike Dragon. When you buy Strike Dragon is more powerful than Smash Dragon. When you buy Smash Dragon is more powerful than Peacock. When you buy Peacock, okay, I'm sorry, it's the time. Gonna not tell the secret of Drip Dracker. Okay, see you next part 2, the 10 strong Bidaman part 2. Okay, I am John Darren Villamor, the first idol in Bidaman, and this is John Toby Villamor, the second idol in Bidaman. Okay, goodbye and thank you for watching this, the 5 Bidaman strong Bidaman. Okay, bye.